Shout out to my girl Gabby's Way. She always gets me right. But I got a new suitcase. I ordered it from Belk's. They had a sale. Every size suitcase was $49, y'all. So I originally got the gold one. Let me take you guys in here and show you. I originally got the gold one. Alexa. 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 Y'all, why she not listening to me? Alexa. Wow, the audacity. Alexa, turn on living room 1. I don't know, my bedroom Alexa heard. Whatever. So I originally got the gold one. It's gold and white. It's sitting over there with all my stuff next to it that I need to pack. But I didn't want the gold one. I wanted the rose gold one, but they had the rose gold one in like a tiny size in the store. And so I ordered it, but the lady was like, I'm sure it's not gonna get here before you go on your trip. So you should get this one and then you can bring this one back after you get the other one. But it just so happened that it got here today and I leave in the morning at 5 a.m. So we're gonna unbox it and show you guys, and then we're going to put the trash out. I needed to take this out of the box first. Let me grab it. So look how big. Okay. So I needed to take this out of the box first so I can put the box out for the trash people to take it tonight. They should be here. Honestly, probably like an hour. I really have time, but this is the suitcase. Look how pretty. It's like rose gold with brown detailing. It was just giving. I needed another suitcase. I needed a big girl suitcase. I only have my like, what are those things? It's like a bag. I only have like the bag, like the big bag, and it be hurting my shoulders. And I did a bigger one, and it's not even like I don't always check the bag. It's not even like I needed a carry-on. I always check my bag. So now we can put this all in the trash. And then what else do we have to do tonight? I'm trying to figure out, should I take you guys through the whole night, or should we just do the pack with me? I don't know if y'all will want to see everything, but I broke 2 nails, and by broke I mean get them off because anxiety, child. But I have to redo my nails tonight. I have to add more lashes because it's time. If you guys can see, it's like time for a fill. Focus. It's time for a fill. Like I have like gaps. I am about to charge my camera batteries, and I will come back after I have like makeup on and stuff, and I'll do like a cute little like sit down pack with me, and I will tell you guys tips about how to pack for like a content creator weekend. But really, I also need to do 2 reels tonight now that my hair is straightened, and I need to, well, the other half of 2 reels, and I'm gonna go ahead and film a get ready with me, which is probably up by now. If it's not up by now, then it's coming up soon. But most likely this is up by now because this is going to be a VLOGMAS content. So, yeah. I will see you guys in a little bit. It's time for me to take the trash out. Better. Dealable. So, I am back and ready to do this pack with me. First things first, I just finished doing my laundry. I have already settled into the fact that I'm just going to be up all night long. I'm just probably not gonna sleep tonight, so I need to, these clothes just finished drying. I need to fold up these clothes, figure out what's coming and what's going.
I like you, won't give a fuck about your boyfriend. Come on, let's link, can't do what I do. I can beat it up with no hands. Treat you like you monarchy. We can slide out, touch bands. Come on, let's link, can't do what I do. I can beat it up with no hands. Come on, come on, come on, let's link. Come on, let's link. Come on, come on, come on, let's link. Come gotta squabble like a nigga, yeah, she get it from her father. Sex in the city, girls, nails done, lemon braid, that's so pretty, girl. She don't be in any world, wrong shoe, wrong fit, I'm Cinderella, girl, call basic. Bro, big mouth, it's not him, not she chasing. 2 weeks, he couldn't find a replacement. He done lost a good bitch, downgraded to a basic lane switch. Bitches love to call it sourpuss cause she changed, cause she don't care. So the nigga on offered up, nosed up, turned off her piping and she bossed up. I like you, I don't give a fuck about your boyfriend. Come on, let's link, can't do what I do. I can beat it up with no hands, teach you like you monarchy.
Okay, so now that that's finished, I'm gonna go ahead and put all these clothes away, and then I will come back when it's time for me to start packing. Like I said earlier, this is the gold bag that I'm taking back to the store, and then this is the bag that I am keeping. I never actually used this one. I just put my stuff in it because I didn't know this one was going to come in. So I'm going to show you guys one by one when I'm unpacking, and then no, my phone is occupied. So I don't know if I'm going to do the TikTok or not anymore. I'm going to see how it films on my 7. I think my iPhone 7 should be charged, and then we'll try it on that and see how that works. And I'm also going to go ahead and pin curl my hair because, like, I don't want to do this video with my hair pin curled, but also I don't want to keep it down. I'm going to pin curl it for the betterment of my look tomorrow. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is go take all my makeup off, put my hair up, and then I'm going to come back, and then we're going to do the pack with me. Sounds good? Sounds good. And we're back. And we have uncovered a different level of baddie. So in the top half is, of course, like all my little stuff. So it's gonna be like, well, my little stuff and like my big bulky stuff. Of course, it's like standard packing. I'm gonna put my shoes in there, and then all of my toiletries, my makeup, my skincare. These long back boots. These are from Forever 21. They're super comfortable. Then I have my short white boots, which I wear like every 2 seconds. I love these boots. And then my socks are all stuffed in here. My thin socks, and then my like regular footy socks is in there. These shoes, I'm gonna put these to the side because now I don't know why I need them, because my pants that I was gonna wear with these shoes is not gonna get here until after I'm gone. I had almost everything that I ordered sent to Atlanta, but this one package. I had almost everything that I ordered sent to Atlanta except this one package. But for whatever reason, Penelope, don't choose violence. Violence was chosen. But for whatever reason, this one package that was supposed to arrive on Monday is now going to Thursday, and the package is still nowhere to be found, so whatever. And then these pink boots. My new boots are gonna go too. So all boots, and then I'm wearing my tennis shoes, the one pair of white tennis shoes that I'm gonna take. That's in here. My perfume is in here. My travel size skincare serums and creams. I got this one from Forever 21. I got it in 2 different colors. It's so cute. And I got it in gray. At the very bottom, I want to put this white dress, so I'm going to go ahead and pack that next. Because I'm keeping the 2 dresses on the hangers. Because I like my hangers better than my boyfriend's hangers. So it's this white dress. And then this leather dress, it's going to go on top of it. This white dress, I'm styling it in a reel as well. Even though I've already styled it for a reel, it's just so versatile. Like, I feel like this is something everyone needs in their life. And then my leather dress, I'm putting this at the bottom because it's most likely to get the most wrinkles. I'm gonna fold the sleeves in, and I just like lay it flat, and where the hanger is, I fold it flat, and I just lay it flat across the bottom. And then next is this dress, this sweater dress, which is like all the rave. So my Shein haul, and I think it got the most like engagement and interactions. Like that one got the most clicks. And then on top of the sweaters, I want to do it with these gray sweatpants, and then like a gray snakeskin shoe. My shoe is at home though, like at my mom's house in Georgia. So I'm gonna stop by the house and pick those up. So yep, and then the leather dress cannot be wrinkled, so okay, you can't wrinkle. And this other dress, I should show you guys. It's from Zara. I got it taken in. I got a small. It came in an extra small, but I think the extra small wasn't available. Please don't mind her. She's actually probably does drugs when I leave her here. Where she gets them from, I don't know. She's a very sheltered animal. Well, when you're packing to create content and you're going to the place, like, and you're specifically having a day where you create content, I feel like it's better to do the same thing that I do when I'm planning out content to do reels or TikToks or videos or anything, or even YouTube, anything at home, which is I write down like the reel. I write down all the outfits, like where they're going to be placed, so that way I can't forget anything. So we're doing like a sweater weather one, so you know, I watch the video, watch how many times I say sweater weather, and then like how many sweaters I'm gonna need to change into. So it's gonna be like all turtlenecks. So then this is, like I said, the two dresses. This dress is super old. Not oiled, old. I don't remember where I got this from. I think my mom got this for me actually. I've had this dress for years. And then this one is Forever 21. I've had this for years too, but I've never worn it. So I figured, why not? This one. Yep. And then this is one of those like tops, y'all, the little knit tops that everyone has. And I will even insert a video below of how to tie it. I did a video on like 4 different ways to tie these. And this is my Skims dupe. My Skims dupe dress. I'm so upset because in the package that I ordered, in the Shein package that I ordered, it was supposed to come in black too. The black one's the one that I really wanted to wear down there, like around the house, because I have to cook and stuff for Friendsgiving. It's a potluck. And I really wanted to wear it, but some of my new skin, and this is like loungewear. I don't know why I have so much. I don't need this much loungewear. I'm honestly probably going to put the purple one back, because I picked out the purple one too. And then the leggings, but these are like a long johns that will go under this little leather hat. It goes with my corduroy pants. And then I always take these with me. This is what I put my dirty clothes in.
Come on, let's leave. Can't do what I do. I can beat it up with no hands. Come on, we. Come on, we. Come on, let's leave. Come on, let's
I'll come back and I'll show you guys my nails when I finish. There we go. I did like gold tips. I'm gonna check back in when my nails are done, and then I need to, like I said earlier, add some more lashes. They're looking like kind of a little skimp. You know, really wash my face, but I'll probably do that after I do my lashes and stuff. And I will check back in when everything's done and it's time for bed.